Greetings, fellow starry-eyed explorers! Today, our cosmic adventure takes us to the radiant star Arcturus, also known as Alpha Boötis. Join us as we journey through the cosmos and unveil the captivating mysteries and fascinating facts about this enigmatic celestial beacon in the Boötis constellation. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating cosmic content. Let's embark on our celestial quest. Arcturus shines with a unique brilliance that captures our imagination. But what sets this star apart in the celestial sea? Join us as we delve into the key attributes that make Arcturus a true beacon of light in the night sky. Arcturus isn't just a star, it's a luminary that guides us through the night. We'll explore Arcturus's magnitude, brightness, and its significance as one of the brightest stars visible from Earth. Throughout history, Arcturus has held a special place in the cultures around the world. We'll uncover the tales, myths, and symbolism that have been woven around the celestial sentinel in the Boötis constellation. Arcturus doesn't remain static, it's on the move through the cosmos. We'll explore the star's motion across the sky, its trajectory, and the fascinating insights it provides in our own journey within the Milky Way. Now let's journey outside and direct our gaze to the captivating glow of Arcturus. Whether you're an urban stargazer or find yourself in a remote stargazing spot, the brilliance of the star is bound to leave an indelible impression. As we continue to our journey to Arcturus, remember that the universe is a celestial playground, and each star invites us to explore its unique mysteries. Keep your sense of wonder alive, and until our next cosmic adventure, keep reaching for the stars. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. Thank you for joining us on this enigmatic voyage to Arcturus. Stay tuned for more captivating cosmic content, and as always, keep looking up. Bye!